Hey guys, so Xiaomi is continuously teasing the Redmi K30. We saw render showcasing dual selfie shooters and new back design. The CPU is now official Snapdragon 765G and so is the launch date. Xiaomi often reveals things before launch. By the way, they are not saying anything about the Redmi K30 Pro and that's because it's not coming on 10th. Some major news coming in from Chinese social platform Weibo. Xiaomi will be launching the Redmi K30 Pro with the Snapdragon 865 CPU. That is awesome. The K20 Pro came with Snapdragon 855 and there was this K20 Pro special edition with the Snapdragon 855 Plus. So this is no shocker but a great news, the K30 Pro is coming with 865 CPU. Speculations are Xiaomi will be launching the K30 Pro somewhat around March and April. Xiaomi Mi 10 is also coming with same CPU, so they leave some gap between high-end flagship Mi 10 and alpha flagship K30 Pro. There is no information in terms of design or specifications. The K20 and K20 Pro had same design and same body language, so I think K30 Pro will borrow the same design from K30. You guys know Xiaomi K30 is coming in two variants, 5G and LTE. 5G will be exclusive for China, while 4G is coming to other markets like India and Philippines. Some breaking information coming about the Redmi K30 4G specifications. It is having same design, same 64 megapixel Sony camera and same basic specifications. However, the CPU is clocked at 2.2 GHz, which confirms it is coming with the Snapdragon 730G CPU. 730G is no different from 730 which you got with the K20 this year. So using same CPU is kinda disappointing, but Xiaomi is out of options right now. The 765 is having integrated 5G, so there is no 4G variant, and also 730G is the highest performing Qualcomm CPU after 855 this year. But you are still getting the best camera, 120Hz display, new hole punch design and whatnot. Of course, you can import the 5G model with 765, but that's gonna cost you a lot and 5G may not work where you live. Xiaomi has also shared some camera samples taken from Redmi K30. They gave the official confirmation about Sony IMX686 64 megapixel shooter. The front selfie shooter sample shows amazing quality. It is 20 megapixel sensor. They have also added Super Night 2.0 with artificial intelligence, raw noise reduction, looks super impressive. So get ready guys for K30, 5G and 4G, but you have to wait a little for the K30 Pro. Thanks for watching, I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.